What is a drone survey and why should you consider one? Capturing detail on your site from the sky can open up possibilities not previously available and adds another dimension to the survey process. If you want to capture data on your site from above safely, efficiently and in stunning detail, you might want to consider a drone or UAV survey. Here, we'll talk about what that might entail and how it might benefit you. A drone survey uses UAVs, Unmanned Aerial Vehicles, to gather aerial data capturing high-resolution imagery and remote site measurements. It's non-intrusive, safe and a highly effective way to map your site, especially in inaccessible or potentially dangerous areas. Laser Surveys operates with CAA qualified pilots with the ability to perform drone data capture across the UK. We capture imagery from multiple angles, stitch into orthophoto mosaics, generate colour or monochrome point clouds and create 3D renders, plus capture aerial photos and video. Each flight can be anchored to ground control to enable drone data to be incorporated into terrestrial survey datasets. Drone surveys can be very useful for topographic surveys of sites and stockpiles, inaccessible roof areas for measured plan surveys, roof and facade inspections, especially in hard to reach areas, construction progress tracking with repeat flights. When you get a drone survey from Laser Surveys, you can receive orthographic photography, stitched aerial images for production of plans and models, high-res photos and video, ideal for inspections or for condition reports, 3D models and/or 2D plans. Compared to ground-only surveys, drones are faster. Entire site scans in a matter of minutes, not days. Safer. No boots on the ground in potentially hazardous environments. Cost effective. Reduced field time and richer data for less, especially with larger sites. You'll also get survey results to otherwise inaccessible areas. With Laser Survey, you can get drone mapped site data that's fast and versatile. Whether you need orthophotos, point clouds, 3D models or aerial visuals, we've got you covered. Surveys can be supplied as standalone data sets or as a supplementary element to existing or ongoing works, all tied to the same survey grid. Contact us today for a free drone survey quote and elevate your next project with precision aerial data.